If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Well, here we go again, my good friends. How y'all been doing at home? Wow. Well, hope y'all been checking out the channel, having a good time. And this is the Click fountain pen, which I got from Frank at Federalist Pens and Paper. I believe at this time he's the only one that carries this. Hopefully, more people will see the possibilities in this pen, how well made they are, how affordable they are, and they are an enjoyment to use when you're writing. It got to grow on you. The Click fountain pen made from India has come a long way. And so they're here now. And so hopefully some of you out there are going to get it that this is a worthy pen. If not, that's totally cool. Leave your comments below, but please be civil. Thank you. So they come in a box like this. Kind of reminds me of the Lamy. And on the end it does say, Mr. Announcer, you'd like to read that to him?
Aristocrat.
What size nib? Can you see it?
Extra fine.
Extra fine. FP for extra fine. And the color is red. Now, I've done, and it comes, well, I'm done with the gun, with the cartridge. Not one, but two cartridges. Voila. And here's the pen. Again, kind of like the Lamy looks like. And I'll put that right off. And it looks just like its brother, the blue one. So one was, I believe this was a fine or extra fine. Let me see. This was the fine, and the red one is the extra fine. So I needed to purchase some pens from Click, so I went to Frank at Federalist Pens and Paper, and I said, well, since I purchased this one, the fine, I need to check out the extra fine so I can let you guys out there check them out. Da-da-da-da. And that's what I'm going to do. So, exact weight measurements as the previous one. So I'm not going to go through all them steps again. And, you know, same clip, same, everything is identical. And it does, again, come with that converter, which I really love. And you can't pull this off. Dun, 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 dun. And you can't push it in, make it into a eyedropper. I do not see a hole in it, but you might want to put a few drops of water inside to make sure there's no holes on the bottom, but I'm pretty sure there's not. And the nib is really a beautiful, nice little nib here. So I am going to stand corrected. I forgot that I have done an extra fine writing sample a while back. So what I asked Frank was a double broad nib. Now I never did a double broad for a Click, so that's my fault. Double broad is what I ordered. So remember, double broad, BB, double broad, double broad, double broad. You got that? Good, good. So what I want to do is do some ink on it. So what kind of ink am I going to do? You know what? It has red, right? But I'm going to be a little crazy and go Fountain Pen Revolution Tangerine Dream, baby. Because I love the color. So I'm a little odd. What the heck? Nowadays, who's not? a little odd, mysterious, different, weird. I'm just going to dip it in here like that. And I cannot wait to test out this fabulous nib, because I think of this nib as a real enjoyment to write. Now let's see if I got enough ink on it, right? Let's see. No, I didn't hardly get any on it. Dun, 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 dun. Here we go. I bet I will now. Yep, I bet I do now. All right, here we go. Love it. Nice dip abroad. This is Click. Now stroke and cross. That's sweet. I like it. And there you have it. And that is the Click. Same as this one, but this has the dip abroad nib. And this one as the fine nib. Those are two different colors, plus they have many more colors to select from. And I believe they also carry the President pen and maybe one or two more brands. So check out Federalist Pens and Paper. They've got them. I know you'll be glad you made the purchase. It's not going to cost you a lot of money. It's not going to break the bank, and you're going to be say, hey, I got the Click fountain pen. Such an awesome fountain pen. Yeah, and they deserve it. Click has made some really excellent pens from India. I'm going to hang it up, folks. With that said, take care, God bless. Until my next rodeo. Enough of the e-haul, and I will check you guys later. Peace and love, and I better hold these up so you can say bye-bye. Talk to you later, guys.